Hi everyone, my name is Jay. I am the founder of Inspired AI, and in this video I'm excited to show you just how you can generate leads and drive sales using our AI tools. This tutorial is designed to guide you effortlessly from understanding what leads are to converting them into loyal customers. So let's get started. What are leads and why are they important? Leads are individuals who express interest in your offerings. Our goal is to guide them through their journey from being aware of your product to making a purchase. So by following the steps that we're going to go through in a little bit, you'll be able to achieve just that. So why are they important? Well, they help boost sales. They help provide valuable data about potential customers and also improve your ROI. I'll provide you with a straightforward, step-by-step guide to building a lead generating funnel using our user-friendly AI tools. By the end of this tutorial, my goal is for you to be saying, I can do this, because that's my goal. I want everybody to be able to use these tools because they're just that easy to use. So again, why are these so important for businesses? Well, again, every business needs leads. Every business needs customers, right, for their products or their services. And one of the big challenges is that 85 to 90% of people or business owners struggle doing this. And this is simply due to the rapid technological changes and time constraints. I mean, a lot of business owners just don't have the time. And when they have the time, well, technology is just keeps on evolving so fast that it's hard to keep up with it. So with these tools, they work for any business. Like, it doesn't matter who you are, what kind of business you run, you'll find that these tools can apply to you. And they're designed with simplicity in mind. Like I said, I want people to be able to pick this up and just start marketing like pros. That's my goal. So why Inspired AI? I mean, our platform uses user-friendly solutions designed to be intuitive, with tools that are easy to learn and use, yet deliver powerful results, just as I mentioned a little bit ago. So that's why our tools are going to change the way that you go about doing business. Alright, so welcome to the Inspired AI dashboard. As soon as you log in, this is the first thing that you're going to see. And over here I've highlighted what I call the 8 core apps of the funnel creation journey. So let's get through it. I'm just going to do a quick overview of these, and then if you want to keep watching, you want to keep learning about it, I'm going to be putting some more videos where you can learn more in depth of what these apps can actually do for you. But the marketing coach, think of it as your marketing teacher, your marketing expert, your marketing, whatever it is that you want to call it. You can ask whatever questions marketing related, and it's going to help you, whether it's SEO, traditional marketing, digital marketing, online marketing, social media marketing, whatever it is, it will have the answers for you. It is an awesome and powerful tool. The reason why I put it first is because maybe you have, I don't know, you want to launch something, you want to do something, you are sick and tired of doing nothing, and you're like, hey, it's my turn to come up with an awesome service or an amazing product. And over here you can actually start asking, hey, what is it that I can work on? What ideas could you give me? And it'll start walking through what you're good at and all these different things, right, until you come to the perfect service or product. Once you have that, then you can start looking at names, like whether the business name or product names and things like that. It'll give you suggestions depending on what it is that you're wanting to do. So because of that, I put it first, because if you don't have something already in mind or an established business, but you want to do something, I strongly felt like this was like the place to start. So once you have that, then okay, you have the name, you have the type of product that you or service that you want to do. Well, then you can come over here to our logo maker. This AI tool, it is amazing at creating some beautiful logos. So this is a great tool, and that's why I put it second, because then you're going to be able to use this for all of your marketing, right? That's going to be part of your branding right there. So that's the second step. The third is you are going to be able to get domains directly from our page, from our dashboard. So you don't have to go to GoDaddy, you don't have to go to iPage or Bluehost, HostGator, whatever it is, that you want, other hosting services. The best part of that is that you don't have to deal with DNS records and having to tie everything together. Once you get the domain directly from our system, from our dashboard, then that stays in there and already integrates into the funnel or a blog or a landing page, whatever it may be. It is just a seamless transition at that point, instead of having to tie in DNS records for the domain plus subdomains and things like that. So this keeps it super simple, especially if you're also looking at adding a business email, which is also part of this process. So again, this is a great way just to keep everything in here, so you don't have to navigate a bunch of different areas. And the cool thing about it, the AI domain wizard, you can tell it what kind of business, just give it the idea, right, of what you're wanting to do, and it'll provide you with suggestions of domains that you could get. So it is awesome, and everything is kept in here, so it's just super easy to get to. The next thing is that, okay, well, you have all the other things. Now let's start creating visuals. We need images. We need things that are going to attract the eyes of customers and things like that. You don't want to post boring things on Facebook, right? Because after a while of just scrolling, just endless scrolling, your eyes are just so used to just ignoring everything in its path. This way, these images are specifically generated to make you stop scrolling. That's what we call them, also stop scrolling ads. They're a little more like colorful. They're more engaging. They catches people's eyes when they're scrolling, so that makes them stop and want to figure out what it is that they're looking at. So super powerful. And over here, you'll come over here and start basically just telling it exactly what the business is, or the product or the service, and it'll start generating images that then you can use for your social media or your funnel, emails, whatever it may be. So awesome tool. And there's other tools as well, that will generate images. This is just by far my favorite one. So from there, we're gonna go to TurboFunnels. TurboFunnels is where this fun and amazing journey will begin. We can generate funnels using AI. That's right, AI. You can literally make a complete and total funnel, landing page, in a matter of minutes. There's 3 ways to do that. One is, let's say you are an affiliate for a business, or you're a distributor maybe for an MLM company, or you are already established business and you just want to create a funnel, but you have a website already. So the easiest way to go about it is you would take that website, the URL, and you would paste it. The AI is going to analyze the entire website and then build you the funnel with the information from that website. I mean, it can't get any easier than that. The second way to go about it is going to be through an image. Let's say it's a product, right? Let's say it's a weight loss product. Well, you take a picture of it, where it actually shows some of the information of the product, maybe a label. That would be the best way to go about it. It'll analyze all that information and it'll build a funnel for you according to the information that it finds from the image. The third way to go about it is you go in there and you give it the description. Let's say you don't have a website, you don't have a product, you have the idea of the product and or service. So you're just gonna go in there and you're just gonna type it, just be as concise as possible, and as a full-on paragraph would work just great. So yeah, it does take a little bit more work at that point, but again, once you have that information in there, it's going to build the funnel for you, and it does an amazing job at doing that, giving you free bonuses, benefit stacks, frequently asked questions. It goes through all those things that later on then you can go in there and edit yourself, super easy. But that's not where it stops. Okay, so that's one funnel app. my favorite one, and the one that I'm going to be pushing everybody to do and encouraging everyone to do, is going to be the AEO funnels. This has one gigantic component to it that the other one does not have, which are SEO and AEO. Okay, a lot of people already know what SEO are. That's basically search engines like Google and Yahoo to be able to be discovered there. This actually now incorporates AEO, which will make you discoverable by things like Alexa, Siri, ChatGPT. I mean, that's the way that the world is evolving, right? And this is staying on top of that technology. So if you want to be discoverable on those type of software like those AIs, then this is the way to do it. The downfall to this is like you will have to build it manually, but don't get scared. Don't back out. Don't back away from me right now. Okay. So again, we already created one like a funnel through TurboFunnels. You already have all the information, right? Now I've created a lot of different templates that you can now use. Okay, where you can literally copy the information from the TurboFunnels, and then you can paste the same information into your AEO funnels. The AEO funnels are a lot cleaner looking. They're a lot more modern designs and stuff. Like, I'm a web designer on the side, so I built them, and I built them with that in mind. I want them to look pleasing to the eye, not like AI built them, right? So now we have the information that we're getting from AI, which is powerful, and now we have the templates, which are pleasing to the eye. Like whenever they go out there and they'll catch people's attention, you can go in there and just add the text that you get from TurboFunnels, or if you have any additional text, you can add it in there. You can replace the images, you can add videos. There's a lot of things. It's just like your own website that you can create. So for those of you that are looking for websites, man, I can tell you right now, I charge starting around $3,500 to build a basic website. Using this thing, it's a monthly subscription, and you have access to templates where you can have a website in a matter of hours, rather than waiting for somebody else, to get it done. So super powerful. You cannot go wrong with this thing. So that's TurboFunnels and AEO funnels right over here. Email Marketing Plus. This is, like, remember I mentioned that you can tie in your domains to a business email. You can get a business email directly from in here. And again, that's powerful because you don't have to deal with DNS records later on and trying to tie everything together. Now from here, what you'd want to do if you want to do automations, this is where this thing becomes super powerful for any business out there, or anyone wanting to explode their brand, right? Like, if one thing is bringing people to the funnel and collecting customer data, the other thing is actually staying engaged with those customers, and that's what we're doing over here. So what we want to do is create a Mailgun account, and it's free, like up to 100 emails a day, I believe it is. So as long as so if you're still small, you're starting, you just start with that. You don't have to pay a dime at that point. You just connect it. You get the API, which you'll connect through your integration settings, which it's going to be up here. And again, I'll show all that later, like when I go through these steps in more in depth. But again, once all that's connected, now whenever somebody signs up or submits their email in our system, in your funnel, now you have the capability of automatically and immediately start sending emails without having to wait for you to send them out later. You can still do that. You can do email blast if you want to, but with this tool right over here, now everything can be automated. Once it's done, right? You can just walk away. This will do the job for you, and it is an awesome and powerful tool to have at your disposal. From there, a lot of the emails will go to your own CRM, where you can also automate a lot of these things that we were talking about. Run out and do email blast to all your email lists and things like that. So that's also part of the system. Super easy to use. It keeps everything nice and simple. It is amazing. And the last thing that we're going to look at is going to be the social media marketing. Okay, so we have all this in place. How are we going to start driving people to the funnels, right? Where does the journey start? Because again, it starts by putting something out there that people are looking for, or maybe looking for, or maybe that weren't even looking for it, right? But it looks awesome enough. I've done it plenty of times when I'm going through Facebook or Instagram and I'm like, I don't need this, but I kind of want it, you're right? And it's the way that it was presented and things like that. So this will do just that for you. You can just come over here once again, you put in what the business or the product or the service is, you put whatever it is that you want to target, whether it's going to be on social media or it's going to be through Google, it's going to be through whatever it is, and it's going to give you a bunch of different ideas of what you can do together with the text, the images, hashtags, the segments. I mean, it's going to go through all of those different things, plus also give you additional options that you can look at to advertise or push these funnels, because it's all about driving traffic through the funnel process to make the potential sell. So again, if this interests you, there'll be another video where I'm going to start going through these apps one by one and a little bit more depth and actually showing you how the apps work. So don't miss out on this thing. This thing is going to revolutionize. It's already revolutionizing how people market their businesses and brands and whatever it is that you're wanting to push out there. So this is some very simple, super powerful way to go about it. So watch the next video.